Hey guys, so today we've been to Cheddar Motor Park, and Harry had such a good school report that I promised him that once I got paid that I would buy him some new motocross goggles. So I just want to show you how much these goggles mean to this little boy who loves motocross. So if you just follow me up the stairs. And I will show you what this means. You're going to love this. So, just creep into his room, creep up into his bed. And there he is, all snug in bed with his 100% goggles on.